Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel Munisha Raj. I hope you are all doing well. So guys, today I have come up with a makeup video. You can see this beautiful glam look. This is a soft glam look which I've done with a rose gold theme. I've just added a little bit of blue color in it. I'm just loving this look. I really enjoy doing these kind of natural neutral wearable looks. So yes, if you wanna know how I did this look, please keep on watching. First I'll be starting with the primer and I'm using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This primer actually contains pink tint to it, so you don't need any corrector, so that's why I just love to use this primer. So next guys, it is foundation. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade bronze beige and it is little lighter to me, so I'll be mixing Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 330 Toffee. Next I'm using a concealer. This is Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. Using 25 medium for my darker pigmentations around my mouth, and I'll be using 20 sand sable for my under eyes and my areas where I need to highlight. For my contouring, I'm using this Maybelline's V Face Contour Duo Stick. I'll be using this side of the this side where the contour is there. I don't really use highlighter side when I'm wearing a foundation, because the highlighter shades actually like taking off the foundation. So I just use when I don't use a foundation. I'm baking my eyes. I don't really usually bake my eyes, but once in a while I bake my eyes. If you just bake your eyes, it makes your eyes to look brighter. So for my eyes, you guys, I'm trying to do a rose gold eyes. So for that I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. This is Creative Volume 1 palette. For my crease, you guys, to start with the lighter shade, I'm using the light pinker shade Quirky, and this color Abstract, little bit more, little slight orangish brown shade. I'll just mix the two and I'll just start with the transition shade. Basically I just use those two colors as my transition shade and use that quirky very light pink shade to overall my eyes, so that it acts as a base. This dark pink color, this is called Color, I'll just use very slightly to my crease. Using this Lakme 925 eye color palette. I think this is in the shade Silk Root, and I'll be using this rose gold color over here. Just to go a little bit deeper to my outer eyes, I'm using this purple shade over here. I'll just use really very bit and just use it to my outer eyes. I'm using this NY Base Long Island eye pencil. This is in the shade blue. I'll just take that and really very slightly lash line attached, very little, just a little bit. As this wand is really big, it is quite difficult to just draw it. If you have any just lighter pencil, you can just use that. With this, guys, I'm using Sugar's gel eyeliner. I'll just use a little bit. I'm just using like very slightly. So guys, make sure that you draw your blue line thicker so that the blue line goes up and the black line comes down. Or else what you can do is first you can just draw the blue, first you can just draw the black and later you can just draw the blue line. That also you can do. I'm just showing you guys both. As you can see that I've drawn first blue eyeliner very thickly and later I've applied a black gel eyeliner. This side I drawed the blue eyeliner thinly. I just tried it but it didn't work, so it's okay. First you can just draw your black eyeliner and later you can just draw your blue eyeliner however you want, however easy it is for you. So on top of it only I'm just drawing this blue eyeliner really very precisely. My waterline and to tightline my eyes, I'll be using highlighting kajal. For my lower lash line, guys, I'm using 9 to 5. I'll be using rose gold and the purple which I used before. I'll just mix them both. So for my eyebrows, you guys, I'm using Faces Canada Ultim Pro eyebrow palette. Basically guys, what I'll do is I'll first use the gel over here and later I'll use powder over it. So gel actually makes you to just keep the eyebrows in a place, and it has a little bit tint also, so which works really great for the front. So I just use a gel to my front. So for my bronzing, I'm using this De Boron Milano bronzer contouring palette. Basically guys, I'll just mix these two and I'll just bronze my face. So for my blush, I'm using Savannah Colors blush palette and I'll be using these two colors. For my highlighter, I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. This is a beautiful highlighter, and one trick I have used you guys before. I just told you to just spray a setting spray on your brush. Another one trick is take a damp sponge and just take your highlighter and just use it. It just gives you a really natural glow and it don't give you a chunky highlighter look. You can see the glow actually. It doesn't give any chunky look and you can just see the natural glow. So that's what it does. And you can see you can just build the just glow, you guys. It doesn't give a really harsh glow. Last, you guys, I'm using this Miss Clay's Glimmer Stick. This is in the shade brown L01, coffee brown L01. So I'll just draw my lips. And for my lipstick use, guys, I'm using Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Rebel Rose. This is usually my favorite combination of this Miss Claire coffee brown lip liner and the lipstick. The final step, you guys, using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please give a like to this video, and if you need more this kind of a video, please do let me know. I'll do it for you guys, and please press that bell icon button next to subscribe button, and also please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video as much as you can possible. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.